There's a beauty in creation and in the Vedas. The Vedas span millennia. Some are revered as the oldest scriptures on the planet. They've been continually passed down generation after generation after generation into the present time. The Mandukya Upanishad speaks of the eternal origin of creation, manifesting as the sound Ah, Ooh. I did a study of Om. It's been a lifelong study, actually. It's still unfolding. In 2018, over the course of that year, an estimated 50,000 alms passed through my lips. Hours upon hours, through weeks, I allowed the tone to move through me, through my mind, through my body. Many of those alms vibrated through my fingertips into the pebbles I sifted in the sand. Sifting Serenity is the second Sift painting in a series called The Om. It took months to complete. The canvas changed colors many times, but the essence of the Om resonates through every pebble in this painting. It invites you to hear through your fingertips. To the eyes, some see the womb of creation. Some say it looks like a supernova manifesting a universe. Some minds open to a dream of spring moving into autumn. Sifting Serenity is all that. Samadhi on a canvas, recreating the self.